Nama saya Nicole. Saya mungkin nak bermula dengan Dr. Mujahid. Dr. Mujahid, you were the same when you say you're not racist. I stumble actually because it's okay to have various racial groups, but you know, in terms of sexual orientation, you have demonized people of different sexual orientation. You were the person who literally insisted, and you were the forefront proponent to make sure that discrimination based on sexual orientation was omitted from the National Unity Council's demand list. And it's pathetic, I would say, almost. As a gay person speaking, I'm deplored. And because so the question, soalan ni yang mungkin nak tanya adalah kenapa PAS yang lebih kalau nak cakap berasaskan hudud atau syariah, why not PAS take up struggles of economic justice?
Untuk pengetahuan, YB adalah daripada Parti Amanah, bukan lagi PAS.
Okay, sorry. Okay, but you were a forefront proponent on hudud also, so maybe I will post in terms of hudud, whatever party you come from.
But I'm not from PAS, and I'll do.
Okay, hudud from whatever party you are from. I'll post it that way.
We're just talking about Amanah.
Why is it that there is that emphasis on social law? Because like Tariq Ramadan says, law is emphasized so much, people have forgotten the radical notions of other aspects of Islam. Why not talk about against riba? Why not talk about land reform? Islam has so radically spoken against interest rates. Islam has spoken about the collective forms of land ownership. Kenapa benda-benda yang mungkin terjejas kekayaan kita ni tidak dibangkit oleh undang-undang seperti ini? Dan soalan contohnya, very fast finishing. Contohnya, saya bagi PAS bawa Dr. Baharudin, demand diorang kepada British government, it was not hudud. It was an end to monopolies in general. It was a package of legal merchants. It was about introducing a welfare state and also a promotion of cooperative ventures for workers. It's all about economic justice. So where is the economic justice in your Islam? And maybe you could address that. And my question to Dr. Nasir, very quick one. Dr. Nasir, PSM has come out to actually say time to move beyond consocial state. That means a consortium. I just stuck the wrong word. But the word consociational state, meaning of different hegemonic groups, and then but the point is, PSM is calling for the moving forward to a more inclusive state. How do you think we are going to move forward when we have never spoken about race, we have never spoken about religion in this country to its truest meaning? Because I think PSM is over-focusing just on class politics, but what about an intersectional form of politics where race and gender is included?
Okay, terima kasih.